Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the defrost timer on this Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to unplug the appliance from the wall outlet. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. To begin, open the door. Remove the two knobs on the control box by pulling straight off. You will notice each of these knobs are keyed and unique, so they cannot be mixed up or installed incorrectly. Next, remove the two 1/4-inch screws holding the control box to the ceiling of the refrigerator. Remove the two 1/4-inch screws holding the timer into the control box. Grasp the control box on either side and pull forward to disengage it from the tabs in the front. Drop down all but the back left corner. The back left corner should be supported as much as possible to avoid damaging the air damper and other components located in this section. Lift the defrost timer out of the control box and remove the wiring connection. You may need to use a flat blade screwdriver to help you get it started. And set your defrost timer aside. To install the defrost timer, bring it into position and install the wiring connector. Line up the screw holes and start the 1/4-inch screws by hand. Then tighten using the screwdriver. Leave the first screw slightly loose so you can still line up the second screw hole. Install the second screw. Make sure to return to the first screw and tighten it completely. Now, lift up the control box and line up the lip on each side with the tabs in the refrigerator and push it back into place. Reinstall the two 1/4-inch screws on the bottom of the control box. Reinstall the temperature control knobs you removed earlier. Remember, these are keyed so they can't be mixed up or installed improperly. Finally, close your door. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.